The most important thing you need to remember when you are alleged to have committed a white-collar crime is that you need separate representation. The company that you are employed by is not necessarily going to have your best interests in mind. In fact, oftentimes your interests are adverse to the company that you're employed by. Remember, statements that you make to your employer are not protected by the attorney-client privilege. They're not protected by the Fifth Amendment, and they're likely to end up in the hands of the prosecuting authorities that are looking into this fraud, this theft, this series of events which has resulted in you either being charged or being the subject of an investigation. By the time you're approached, many times by somebody within your own organization, or potentially by law enforcement personnel, or potentially by a regulatory agency, by the time they've identified you as a target or a witness, at that moment in time, it is critical that you turn to an experienced attorney, knowledgeable about dealing with the many pieces of what this case is ultimately going to look like. I am that attorney. We are that law firm.